Don't forget to check out my Patreon where we have exclusive content for groups such as Twice, 17, Red Velvet, Blackpink, NCT, Super M, Shiny, AT, Stray Kids, and so much more, along with K-dramas, concerts, and Hey guys, it's Angie here. Today we have a surprise video. So my goal this year was to stan groups that don't have children. Because last year I stan too many groups that had children and I was in too deep. We regret, but we stan. So like I liked IVE and Mix. I was more towards the beginning of this year, but like IVE and Mix. And Hypen was before that. Who else did we stand last year? Oh, Lucetta is the one I regret the most because she's so young. But I'm so young too. So this year we're trying very hard, at least not to stan groups with young, like people under like 17. 17 is my cutoff. We may get to 16, but like 17 is my cutoff, my goal. And this group, I think their youngest is 17. And I'm noticing a lot of groups this year that debut with adults are male groups, where the youngest is maybe 17, which is like Boy Next Door, Zykers. Actually, Zykers. Yeah, Zykers. Yeah, they just seem very young to me because the gap between our ages is big, but like they're actually 17. And Team. Also, all those groups pretty underrated. Boy Next Door is definitely probably the biggest, I think, out of those three, but we'll see. But yeah, we've been avoiding a lot of young groups, and I saw this group, the youngest is 17. Rise is another one. Hopefully they debut well because there's a lot of controversy right now. Stupid controversies. I don't agree with it, but it's very dumb. Hopefully nothing bad comes out of that because it's so stupid. But yeah, I decided to put forth energy to groups that may be underrated, but at least they're all like adults. Now, I don't think this group is that underrated because when I've heard of this group the most, but then nothing came about it, and that's when I learned they're actually a Japanese group. I didn't know that. I just know my man Taki, he's here. Well, he's not my man, he's my baby, because he's, I think, 17, right? My man K is here. So, when I watched Island, the people I was rooting for didn't make it. Hence a bit of my reluctance at first. I was rooting for, because I knew Nikki made it, and I knew, was it Sunu or Jake? I knew one of them made it because of the whole airport incident. I think it was Sunu. I knew these two made it, I'm pretty sure. So I couldn't take them out of my list because like I always like when I was watching those type of shows, I always had like my like end game list, I guess you could call it, who I wanted to make into the group. And I would like kind of it usually stayed pretty consistent. I remember Sunghoon was on it, Jay was on it, Taki was on it, Taki, Hanbin, and Gonu. And I think Kay would like jump in and out of it, but I think he remained in it for the most part after Yes Sir, I'm one of a kind, you know, that thing. But yeah, Taki and Hanbin and Gonu were always like my top three. And Jay, like those were my top ones. That's why Jay is my bias. But obviously Taki and Kay didn't make it. Almost didn't stand the group because Taki didn't make it. I remain frustrated because a lot of people's excuses was he's too young. Was he not older than Nikki? Or the same age? I think they're the same age. And then people were like, well, Nikki's more talented. And I'm like, was the criteria of the show not about the fact that talent isn't the forefront? I'm pretty sure in one episode they were like, we're looking at improvement. There was a word they used, like improvement, not talent. And I think Jay and someone else was talking about like how they were scared about that. But anyways, whatever. So I didn't know this group was actually a Japanese group. I'm confused though, because are they is it like XG? Is it like XG where they're kind of like doing a bit of both? Although the reason I decided we may stand this group, depending if I like music, is I know Nicholas and EJ are here too, by the way. They were never on my list, not gonna lie. I think I liked Nicholas in one performance. I think he was wearing like a blue shirt, I don't remember. But I think I remember liking Nicholas at one of the performances, but he never like made it. I didn't want false hope. He never like made it far, so him and EJ, they never like, I felt like they weren't gonna make it, so I didn't put forth my energy into it. I was like, we ain't even gonna try. We ain't even gonna put them on the list because I can't see a lot of their talents in them. Yeah, but because they weren't in big parts, not because they didn't have talent. But okay, record. So there's actually 9. Oh yeah, this is the show. So I saw this show a lot, but then when they debuted, I saw nothing. But then I went to their channel to kind of see where they were at. Like, oh, are they getting a lot of views or not? And their shows get a lot of views, like 200,000, 300,000, 100,000. Like, they're very consistent. So I guess they have a big fan base, but because they're a Japanese group, they're not like, I don't know, like, they're not, it's like XG. People just don't want to stand them because they're Japanese. I don't know. Racism, basically. You just like that makes sense. Okay, so he's a new guy. Also, if we get enough from this, like if I like the songs, I already like the members, so it's kind of like, but if I like the songs and stuff, we may go back and watch their survival show. If there's enough people willing to watch it, because they're probably very long. Okay, Fuma. Wait, EJ's the leader? Not K? Well, I guess, yeah, K would probably want to be the leader. Fuma. So he's Japanese. K. That's my man. I felt you, man. I knew that. Nicholas. Oh, he's Taiwanese. Why do I not remember that? Because, he didn't get enough screen time. Yuma. So we have Fuma, Yuma, Taki, Maki. Japanese. Joe. I'm gonna say Joe. Japanese. Harua. Japanese. I think there was another member who... was Daniel on this? I remember Daniel was on a show. Taki. He's so grown. I don't even recognize this. Who is he? Who is this man? I'm gonna cry. It's my son. Oh, he's 18. He's an adult now. Don't even talk to me. And this is Maki. He looks like S-Coops. Just from this. Maki. Oh, he's the one. Okay. He's German? What's going on, guys? We have a lot of, mixed people here recently. I love it. That's great. Okay. Is he friends with Yang? Listen, I'm sorry, but it's true. Idols who speak the same languages tend to group together. I'm wondering if he's friends with Yang. It's a pretty big age gap though, so probably not. But his name is actually Ricky, which is Nikki. Oh, Taki's is also Ricky. Is that common to take, I guess, your surname? Is Takima? Is that his surname? Maki says Ricky Mao, Mas, but then his surname is, his stage name is Maki, and Taki's is Takema, Ricky, which is mixed to make Taki, and then how do I pronounce it? Nishimori Ricky, I think is how you say Nikki's name. Nishimori, I think it's Nishimori. Where is it? But wait, where is this man's full name? Nishimura. That's how I say it. Okay, first we have Under the Skin. I'm not gonna lie, just from the thumbnails, like I never wanted to click it. Like I never was like, oh, I want to click this. I don't know. They don't intrigue me. I think they did the thumbnails dirty. Also, the group name. Oh, shoot. Go on. Oh, dang, I would have laughed. Like, I could not film this. Okay. This is K. This man's voice is deep. Is this one of the members? Because I feel like it's not. Who is that? Oh, but guess what? We get songs in Japanese. We get songs in Japanese. I know that's like obvious, but like I don't have a lot of like J-pop. Like I'm not like in, and when I do like some J-pop groups, they don't have songs on Spotify. The most I get is like One OK Rock and stuff. So Japanese songs. Was that Nicholas? No. Stop. Stop it. Stop. Wait. I want to know who's who. Wait. He has a cute face. A little baby face. Who is that? Is that Harua? Is that Harua maybe? Joe. I think that's Joe. Let me look at the ears. Look at the ears. That's Joe. The ears. That's Joe. Joe's so pretty. I wish I was that pretty. That's Joe. I'm placing my bets. He looks like the Mac name. I'm not gonna be able to tell who Taki is, man. Is it? Well, dang, that may have been. Oh, I love this. His music video and the song. Listen to me. Listen. Song goes hard. This thumbnail doesn't do it justice. I feel like the thumbnail is too dark and grungy for with the song and music videos. I feel like we could have done like a thumbnail of them in this like gym. Thumbnails like this could have been a thumbnail. Like something like I don't know. The thumbnail's trash. Like I never wanted to click this thumbnail, just personally. Also, something says Howling in the back. I'm guessing that's an ode to their show. Or are they werewolves? Wolves. Are we werewolves? I would stand just for that. Listen, I'm biased because I personally... What kind of Heartstopper editing? What kind of Heartstopper Netflix? Like, what is going on? Okay. For Japanese music, I either like the really poppy, kawaii like stuff, or really like beautiful ballads, or like kind of rock stuff like this. Like it's not like it's rock, but it's not like you know what I mean. Are we going? So like, I'm mad. This could have been an amazing thumbnail. So I'm assuming they're werewolves, but I think it's also an analogy for just like probably not anything gay, because you probably want to do that, but like being different of any kind. Like maybe they're using. I'm assuming I feel werewolf energy here. I watch a lot of Teen Wolf. I feel like there's some werewolf energy here. Yeah, like the lyrics. Yeah, they're werewolves. Like, what kind of supernatural stuff? Join the pack. Singular. I don't know. If they're not werewolves, they should have been. What's with Hive and like drowning people? Like BTS, I think TXT, they drowned at one point. The set of fam. Like, why are we always drowning? Why are we always in water? Resurface. Yeah, TXT did because Runaway. I think it was Runaway. Oh, I think it was the same freaking place too. Same set. Could be wrong. He's so cute. Oh, he's so cute. I'm a stand just for that cutie. I'm pretty sure that's Joe. If that's not Joe, it could be Harua, because I can't tell from this picture. Kay's a great actor. Yeah, he's a werewolf. I know my werewolf senses be tingling. I think his friend died. Did he bite him? And then he died? I don't know. Maybe I'm making it way too deep. Yeah. They're trying to trick me. But I've been new. Like, I've been new. This ain't a plot twist. But imagine if he didn't know. By the way, I did not have any, like, I have not seen anything about A-Team. I'm telling you, they did not exist on my timeline. The only reason I checked it out is because I was watching someone react to Island, and I was like, I missed them. And I'm like, didn't they debut? Oh shit, they did not just, they pulled a bridge. They gave me a bridge. Finally. Oh, this song is long. When does the song start? This is a 4-minute song. Oh, okay, never mind. Actually, they took away. I like his voice. Because it's deep, but it's not like exaggerated deep. Gay. I'm just kidding. That's so sweet. Now, are we gonna get that bullshit? This is what I mean. This is the first song. We like it. We like it. Are they gonna do that bullshit where it's like they just forget the storyline? Where they don't like actually, I want them to be werewolves. Like, I'm sick of, oh, we're vampires, but we have no fangs. Or werewolves, but we don't look like, they don't look like werewolves. Like, they don't need to, like, turn into a, they could, so we don't want it to be, like, Scott McCall with the sideburns and stuff, maybe, but, like, I don't want them to tell us they're werewolves. I want to see, like, why give me the werewolf if you're not gonna give me the werewolf, you know what I mean? Like, put forth the effort. So even if you don't want them to look like werewolves because they're not going to be pretty or something, just at least make their ears pointy. Or like use a real wolf, like a CG wolf obviously, and just kind of make like a scene where they run past a wall and like, you know, I want to see them be werewolves. Me not mentioning this song at all. Listen, that song was so good. I'm kind of scared. I'm scared because I want more of that. I don't want it to change too much. I like this. This is what I want in life. This is all I could ask for. This is perfect. It's Japanese. It's a bit of like a punk pop, like rockish sound. They went off on the vocals. I don't even know, was there a rap in here? I don't remember there being a rap. If there was, all I want to know is why this thumbnail sucks. This thumbnail prevented me from watching this video for like 10 months. Because it's trash. This is like the worst thumbnail. There's a lot of bad thumbnails in K-pop. This thumbnail doesn't even go with the song. Like, nothing about it sound like... I thought it was gonna be some like dark, like just typical song. Like nothing crazy. Yeah, that thumbnail does disservice. So does the fireworks thumbnail. Like, I'm kind of scared because this doesn't look very good. But this one wasn't that good either. Let's see, because it's called Fireworks. It could be good. Oh, they were on Weekly Idol, guys. They actually got some, like... Okay, so they're promoting in Korea. Why is there a girl in here? What? Okay, equality. I think everyone's Joe. Wait, are we wolves? Yes. I love the campiness. They said, I asked, I was like, gay? At the end of the last music video, and they said, there's some estrogen. It's okay. There's 8 of them left. Oh, this is gonna be a freaking love triangle bullshit again. Sick of this. Oh, there's friends. She died, didn't she? Bob already. She died. Oh, he's so pretty. Who's the one with freckles? Someone has freckles. There's something so funny about them dancing so, like, hardcore in the scene for some reason. It's like they're all trying to seduce her. It's kind of weird. That's cute. How do you film that? Who is this? Is this one of the members? Who has freckles? I'm sorry, that's really important to me. We have another freckled boy in K-pop. We gotta acknowledge it. It has to be under his facts. It has to be. It's not Nicholas. There's no way. I would have noticed. Is it the Magne? Who has freckles? It's not Taki. Imagine if it was Taki. That's not Taki. Who has freckles? Is that not one of the members? Oh, it's not K. Fuma. You know what? I don't feel like reading all that. And Team Freckles. Who is it? That's Nicholas? Wait. Nicholas Freckles? What? Are they fake? Oh, it's Mucky. Mucky? Mucky freckles. I think they're fake. I'm in pain. Let me know. This is giving young royals energy. Those are too many freckles to be like... I'm stressed. Because those look very real. Oh, cute. Is that you doing? Oh, actor is here. This one's summer energy. Oh, we mad. Oh, this must have been so fun to film. Or annoying, I don't know. Oh, well, are we playing or are we fighting? I don't know. Back. Ooh. Ooh. That's cool. I would love it if... Okay. If she was like... Me thinking of like some deep-seated storylines. Once again, Teen Wolf. If she was actually like a werewolf hunter and was getting close to them to kill them and purposely got in between the two friends to cause tensions. Like she knew they were werewolves and she was just kind of like playing with them and messing with them. Like that would be really cool. I think that's too convoluted for like a music video, but like a short music video though, but like but I'm assuming she died or something. Or she like left them. Oops. This is a fun song. I like Under the Skin way more, but like this one's fun. And it continues with the sound. His head's like right under his booty. Okay, post-credit scene. Oh look, they're cuddling. Maybe he's a little okay. Maybe he's a little okay. I'm just kidding. Ooh, you. Ooh, you. Is this K? I can't tell my son Taki apart. Like, I don't know where Taki is. He's grown up too much. I can't find him. Oh, that's a beautiful shot. Oh, that's gorgeous. I really wish she was like a villain. I love a good female villain. If they could like, I think the only group who's done a wolf concept that I know is EXO. But like, it was just for like back then, like concepts were just like they were werewolves and they were superheroes, and then like, you know, like they would change it a lot. It wasn't like continuous. Under the Skin's way better, but like we give credit to Fireworks because that's like a summer bop. See, like their music videos don't get that many views, like at all, like not even 10 million. But like I think it's just because they're a Japanese group. But they have like a very good fan base. Like their shows are very consistent with like views. Oh, what's happening now? See, I don't know if I like this. Oop, I like the hair. Okay, we're werewolves still. Who's the pretty boy, man? Is it Joe or Harua? I need to know. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm not gonna doubt too much. This is giving Spy Kids quality though. Like, what's with this set? Like, who's that? They were scaring me. But this goes hard. This goes hard. I don't know. We were getting kind of noise music in the middle, but we'll see. This is okay. We good. Let's not go too crazy. What was that? What the fuck is this? That's the Maki Maki? Is that Maki? Because my man K, let's go, okay. Actually, I don't know who Maki. Where's Taki? Who's Taki? I can't find my son. He's probably passed me a lot. Oh, he's pretty. Chogiwa. Who is this? I reckon, like, I keep seeing his face. This can't be Taki. This has to be Maki. I think this is Maki. It's definitely not Joe. It's not EJ. Oh, right, there's a Yuma. Who's Yuma? I don't think it's Yuma. It's not Nicholas. I think this is Maki. I just want to know their Oh, that's cool. Oh shit, that's cool. This is the most K-pop song though. I like the dance in this one the most though. Is that my baby? That has to be my baby, but I don't recognize him. See, that's my boy with the ears, but I don't know which one this is. Oh, is that the end? Oh, I thought we were about to, like, I don't know. Okay. But why do they need English comments? That doesn't justify their fame, you know what I mean? Like, there's like way more other countries. But I agree. The views are way too low. I need to know. Where's Taki? Because I haven't found him in any of these videos. And I think I'm just like, I just don't know where he is. It's kind of crazy how, like, I just really lost this man's face. I think also he had, like, long hair. And, like, oh, I think that was Taki. That was Taki? That's not my baby. The guy who I thought was Maki is Taki. That's crazy. Like, I did not recognize him at all. Like, where was it? Is this? It was like early on. That was Taki? Is this Taki? I think this is Taki. The fact I don't know. The fact I don't know is crazy. The fact I can't even be like 100% that's him is crazy. I've lost him. Don't know who he is anymore. Seriously can't recognize my son. It's crazy. I'm a terrible mom. So here's the thing. I liked Fireworks and Road Not Taken, but I definitely just really loved Under the Skin, and I want them to go more with that. Because this one sounded too K-pop, and I think that was like them trying, maybe they're just them trying to be more K-pop, but like I don't think they need to be. Like I really don't. Like I think even the views kind of show like the other songs did way better, and they weren't very K-pop. I don't know what direction they were trying to go here. Personally, like I'm gonna listen to it. But am I gonna listen to it nearly as much as the other songs? Definitely not. But okay, they don't have that many songs though. They have a couple singles, but no music videos for them. Interesting. Oh, they were on Lean and Separate. It's crazy. Yeah. Oh, okay. This is like. Okay, so Fireworks and Road Not Taken, they were in the same album. Okay. There's like only a couple other songs. Let me know though. What do you guys think? I just want them to stick to the route that they were going down, personally. But you guys let me know. Do you prefer... I don't remember the name of the song. What was it called? Road Not Taken. Also, Road Not Taken sounds a lot like an Hypen song for some reason. What was their song? I don't listen to it. It wasn't my favorite. Give and Taken. They're way too similar. But that's just me, because I like both groups. I would say Road Not Taken. I think I like it a little more. I don't like Give and Taken that much. But regardless, let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.